Let's discuss exercise for question number 3. Question 1 E. So when you look at, you know that what are the roots? X equal 3, x equal 2, and x equal minus 1. So coordinate, you can write 3, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 0. Then I will explain a little bit, then I'll write it again. Then x equals 0, what will happen? 0, 0, 0. Then this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Then you can look something, you can see something like this. Then minus 3 times minus 2, 3 times 2, 6 times 1, 6, minus times minus, plus times plus, plus 6. So 0, 6. And x goes to infinity, y also goes to positive infinity. X goes to minus infinity, y also goes to negative infinity. Now you have this knowledge very clearly. And then we'll draw this one. Minus 1, 2, and 3. This is scale is not right, not good. 1, 2, 3. X and y, and I know it will go through like this. So graph is starting from here when it is minus minus. Another way you can look at, before that, let's forget about, I want to discuss something. This all x values is positive. All y values when in this side positive. This is positive positive. How about this side? X value negative and y value positive. Negative positive. And this is negative and y also negative. And this is x value is positive but y value is negative. So negative negative, negative negative, samya start here. Positive positive, samya start here. So this is another way of looking at it. So hope you could understand what I said was, if you pick up a point, all x values are positive and y values are positive in this first quadrant. In the second quadrant, it is like this: x value negative, y value positive, and likewise. Now minus minus plus. So okay, this is going to be 0, 6 here. So something like this. Now let's give the presentation. How do you do? To find roots y equals 0. Then you have to write x minus 3, x minus 2, x plus 1 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. X equal 3, or x equal 2, or x equal minus 1. Then the coordinates are 3, 0, 2, 0, minus 1, 0. Then to find this one, when y x equals 0, x equal, so to cut where the graph cut y-axis, then y equal 0 minus 3, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 1. This is positive 6. So this is 0, 6, 1. And then x goes to minus infinity, y goes to minus infinity here. And x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. So this is the presentation. Okay. Roots are x equal 1, x equal minus 2, x equal minus 3. So 1, 0, minus 2, 0, and minus 3, 0. And when x equals 0, we can see where the graph cut y-axis. So minus 1, 2, 3. This is minus 6. That's done. X goes to minus infinity, y goes to minus infinity. And x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. Then we'll, why? Because I can see that not like a rule, but the all x values are positive. Coefficient of x cube is positive. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and actually I'm not, 2 points should be here less than in this side. 1 is here in this side. So it should go with minus 6 somewhere here. So my plan is now draw like that. Then I will mark. This is going to be the minus 3, 0. Then minus 2, 0. And this is 1, 0. And this is 0, minus 6. And done. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. It is going this way to positive infinity for both, and this is negative infinity. Done. But you can't get the marks, so you have to write it properly. To find the roots, x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0, x equal 1, or x equal minus 2, or x equal minus 3. So according to the number line, which one is go the first one? This one. So minus 3, 0, then minus 2, 0, and then 1, 0. And then when x equals 0, to find where y cut, y equal minus 1 plus 2 and 3, which is minus 6. So that is 0, 6. Then x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. You can show this one two ways. That's enough. but you know how to, you can check with the numbers, or I explain the different way of working for people who know more mathematics basically. I mean, you will see that in the university. Mm, minus 1 0, part C, minus 2 0, minus 3 0 roots, and 1 times 2, 2, this is 3 times 6, so 0, 6. Now all are positive, x goes to negative, y goes to negative, and x goes to positive, y goes to positive. So we'll draw now. This is minus 3 0, minus 2 0. This is minus 1 0. This is 0 6, and negative, 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 and positive, positive. To find roots, uh, y equals 0, then x plus 1 times x plus 2, x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0, x equal minus 1, or x equal minus 2, or x equal minus 3. So minus 1 0. Okay, we'll write in the sequence. Number line minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 0, minus 2 0, minus 1 0. Then when x equals 0, y is 1, 2, 3, 6. X goes to minus infinity, y goes to minus infinity, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity. Now you can draw this one. Still the same graph actually. X, y, and minus 3 0, minus 2 0, minus 1 0. This is 0 6, and that's all. This is going to d minus 1 0, 1 0, minus 3 0, 1 3, or just sub x equals 0, then you can see this kind of 1 3. So 0 3. Now you can see this is going to be negative coefficient. X times x, x times x cube, plus times minus minus, minus times plus minus. Then we are expecting um, And here you can see that x, when x value goes to here, positive infinity, y goes to negative infinity. And x goes negative infinity, y goes to positive infinity. So now we can draw the graph. Because it should come from here. That's why I start here. When you start and you have to end from here, then we have to get this zigzag design. Minus 1 0, and this is going to be 1 0, and this value is 0 3. Completed. Now we'll work out. To find root, y equals 0, x plus 1, 1 minus x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, or 1 minus x equals 0, or x plus 3 equals 0. X equal minus 1, no, x equal 1, or x equal minus 3. So minus 1 0 1 coordinate. Okay, which one is the smallest? This one. Minus 3 0. Then this one minus 1 0, and another one 1 0. Then when x equals 0, y equal 1 1 and 3. 0 plus 1, 1 minus 0, and 0 plus 3. 1 1 3 3. So this is 0 3. That's why this one. And then we have to write when x goes to positive infinity, y goes to negative infinity. X goes to negative infinity this side, y goes to positive infinity. So this is we discuss positive or plus quadrant. This is minus plus quadrant. This is minus minus 1. This is plus minus 1. When x value is positive, y value is negative. Going this. X goes to minus and y goes to plus. Usually it is goes to minus to minus minus to positive plus plus, or negative plus to negative. Part A, root x equal to 2 0 3 0 4 0, and when x equals 0, y 2 times 3 12, 2 times 3 6, 6 times 4 24, minus times minus plus, plus times plus plus. So I can see this is negative. Then usually the coefficient is negative, ax cube, when you get a value is negative, usually the graph is going to be uh, this form and end up with here. So we are looking for a this kind of design. Okay, it is going 0 for sometimes this kind of pattern. You have to shift this one. Or um, now this value is 24. It means it should be on top, something like this. So this is the best fix. Zero 24. This is 20. This is 430, and this is 440, and that's all. Basically, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to negative. X goes to negative, y goes to uh, positive infinity. As I said, you can take minus 1 out from here. This can make to x minus 4. And you know 100% that a coefficient of a is going to be x cube, coefficient of x cube term is going to be negative. To find roots, y equals 0, x minus 2, x minus 3, 4 minus x equals 0, x equal to o, x equal 3, o, x equal 4, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. When x equals 0, y equal minus 2, minus 3 and 4, which is 24. So 0, 24. X goes to positive infinity, y goes to negative. X goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive. F. Roots are 0, 0. Because y equals 0, then this has become 2, this has become minus 1. Then I don't need to check when x equals 0, because I know x equals 0, y equals 0. Okay, for the when x equals 0, what is the y value? Is 0. When you put x equals 0, 0. You can see from here, but okay. Then all x positive, I can see coefficient of x cube is positive. It means graph go to x go to minus infinity. Graph goes like this. This goes to minus infinity, positive infinity. Y also goes to positive. X goes to negative infinity. Y goes to negative. And we'll draw now. This is minus 1 0, this is 0 0, and this is 2 0, and that's all. To find roots, y equals 0, then x times x minus 2, x plus 1 equals 0, x equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 0, or x equal 2, or x equal minus 1. When x equals 0, y also 0 times minus 2 times. You can work out on this is 0, but we already got this one. Okay, point, this is 0 0, 2 0, and minus 1 0. And since a is coefficient of x cube is positive, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity, x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. And this is the graph. G, y equal this one. If you want, you can write like this as well: x plus 0, x plus 1, and x minus 1. Instead of x, I write x plus 0. So root then y equals 0, x equals 0 from here. This is minus 1 from here. This is 1. Then when x equals 0 again, y equal 0, 1, minus 1, 0. It is still there. Now x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, x goes to negative, y goes to negative. Now we'll draw this one. Minus 1 and 1. It's going to 0. This one and this one. Start from here and end from here. Right. To find roots, y equals 0, x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 0, or x equal minus 1, or x equal 1. Minus 1 0, 1 0, and 0 0, and 1 0. And we don't need to find when x equals 0 because we know y equals 0 here. And then again I rewrite x goes to positive, y goes to positive, and x goes to negative, y goes to negative. H. To find roots y equals 0, then x times x plus 1, 1 minus x equals 0, x equals 0 o, x plus 1 equals 0 o, 1 minus x equals 0. So x equals 0 o, x equal minus 1 o, x equal 1. So the points are minus 1 0, then 0 and 0, and 1 and 0. When I have 0 0, I don't need to look at when y x equals 0 because y equals 0 there. Then I can see that this x is not normal. It has a negative value. It means the coefficient is going to be negative. Usually in that case graph is going to be the other way around. This kind of graph I'm expecting. It means I know that x goes to positive in infinity, y goes to negative, and x goes to negative infinity, y goes to positive. So we'll draw graph. So I know if I start here, I have to end here. If I start here, I have to end here. Usually my hand works like this, so I'll start always here, not from the bottom. Below minus 1 0 0 0 and 1 0, and this is x and this is y. Y when y equals 0, to find roots x minus 2 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0 or 2x plus 1 equals 0, x equal 2 or x equal half or x equal minus half. So minus half is smaller, so minus half a 0, then half a 0, then 2 0. Then when x equals 0, y is minus 2 minus 1 1, which is 2. Then x are negative, positive, or coefficient of x cube is positive. It means x went to positive, y also go to positive. X tend to negative, y goes to negative as well. So this is 0 2. Start. This is the end. So if you start from here and here, start from here and here. So I'm going to go through from here minus half, then 0 2, and this one, and this is the design. Not good. X 0 minus half a 0. This is half a 0. This is 2 0, and this value is 0 2. To find rows y equals 0. X equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. X equals 0 or x equal half or x equal minus 3. Minus 3 0, then in the ascending order 0 0 and half a 0. So those are the y is 0. And I don't want to check when x is 0, it is there. And all positives. So coefficient is positive, x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive infinity, x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. This is somewhere here. So start from here, go to 0, minus 3 0, this is 0 0, and this is half a 0. X goes to positive infinity. Why? What you can tell about y value, x and y value? When x is increasing, y also increasing. X also increasing, y also increasing. Goes to the infinity. And it has a maximum and it has a minimum. But this will call global maximum and global minimum. Because when you, this called local maximum and local minimum. We can't think about globally. Why? Because this point, when you take this point, is above this one. So this is some extra bit we are going to use later. If you want to find the maximum of this point, how do we do this one? We want to differentiate this equation. We want to find dy by dx and make equal to 0. And we should get a quadratic equation because there should be two answers. For fun will work. This is going to be 2x square minus x times x plus 3. Then 2x cube plus 3, 2x square plus 6x square minus x square minus 3x. So 2x cube plus 5x square plus minus 3x. This is y. Dy over dx is 6x square plus 10x minus 3. Now to find the stationary dy dx equals 0. Then 6x square plus 10x minus 3 equal 0. Then you can bracket this one out. We have to use the formula. So I'll write like this: x minus b, the answer. So x equal a and x equal I'll put 1 as b, or x equal minus b. So this is minus b value and this is a value. Then when you put minus b to equation, you can get this point, and a to this one, you can get this point. So you can find the local maximum and minimum we have to do in the when we do differentiations, but just to give an idea.